Hey guys, it's Jerry from Jerry Battaglia's Classic Car Garage, guys. What I got here is my 1955 Chevy two-door BelAir hardtop. What I'm going to do is, it's a nice day out here. It's November 1st. It's a really nice day out here, and I'm going to take my car out for a little cruise. And I'm thinking about selling it. I've been marketing it. I bought it a few years back. I thought about restoring it. And then I just really never got to it. I had a two-door postcar before this in Regal Turquoise. But here's my 55 here. You know, it's got some lower door rust because there was a sprinkler head that was shooting in and collected down there. But everybody's making a big deal about it when I try to sell the car. It's like, oh, it's got rot on it. Well, if you're 70 years old, I'm sure your body's going to be all hurting. People don't even live past 70 in the United States today, but it's pretty cool, you know. Just want to show you guys the car. I think I'm going to take it for a little run. I got to put the terminal on. 265 V8. There you go. Nice and tight now. Finger is in the way. I freaking love this car. You know, body's pretty good. Listen, it's an old driver, you know. And let's go check it out. All the lights are on. I don't know why that's on. Push and close. Oh, somebody left the lights on. You see that? All right, let me start it up and I'll pull it out. Check it out. What's cool about this car, it starts right up. Watch this. Like clockwork. Ooh. Sounds good, right? There it goes. Reverse. Just gotta get used to these drum brakes all the time. You know, you go from a Cadillac Escalade to this thing. Here it is, guys. Yeah, got some bubbling over here, and you know, body's pretty straight on it. Listen, it's not perfect. Runs good. Hold on this window. Ride me in the 55. Beautiful day out. Well, this was done over here a long time ago, and this is done there, but you're gonna find a 55 hardtop. Everybody's making a big deal about my door. Oh, you got, you know, it needs a door skin or a door. It's only $500. Oh, please. People moaning and groaning. All right, close this up. Take it for a little run. Whoa. What do you think about this car, guys? Hold on my rear windows. This is the best part. Trunk, solid trunk, little hole there, and a little hole somewhere over here somewhere, but there's one over there. But it's a solid trunk, little hole there, we're fixed. But solid trunk, needs a deck lid though. This must is from condensation or something, as you can see in here. side window down too. Go for a little run in the 55. In New York, you can't find these cars anywhere. But pretty clean. It's pretty good for what it is. It ain't perfect. I call it the imperfect, perfect 55 because you know what? Nobody got them. And I got one here for driving. 265. The automatic. In gypsy red over white. So let's go have some fun. You can hear a little rattling. This crap over here annoys me. Let's go. Taking a ride in a 55 Chevy BelAir 2-door hardtop out in Long Island, New York. Here we go. Shift's fine. You know, a little play in the steering wheel. Just love cruising in this car. It just relaxes me. It's the best thing. This car smells though. You know, the exhaust gets in the car, and my wife always bugs out. Oh, it smells like fumes. It smells like fumes. Oh, check out this Rolls Royce. I see people are bringing that beautiful cars out. Nice Rolls Royce here, one each. That was pretty cool. My father had one of those when I was young. I used to steal it, driving around. Brought it to school one time. People were bugging out. Who got the Rolls Royce in the high school parking lot? Steal a lot of my father's European exotic cars. When I was younger, I used to get my head handed to me sometimes. I got busted. But those were the days. And so here we go. See, a lot of guy just gave me a wave on his bicycle. Car ride's great. On this car, but it's an old car. Responsive, it's nice. That's good. So how many people have some Tri-5s out there? Oh, watch this kid on a motorcycle. Slam the brakes, I'll slam into the kid. How many Tri-5 owners out there? Comment down below. You got 55, 56, 57. So my car is for sale, guys. My phone number is 631-620-1046. I'm located out in Long Island, New York in Yaphank. There's a rattle in the back. I don't know what it is. Let's see what it is. I know it's something. Maybe it's a loose shock. I don't think so. Who knows? This guy's in front of me now. I can't even get some speed up here because he's scrolling and patrolling over here. There it goes. Thank you. Yeah, so this car's pretty awesome, guys. That's all I do. I take it out, go down the block, pull a ride around the block. Ship's nice. People wave, you know. everybody you're from. Why don't you comment down below where you're from too? I know I have a bunch of followers from all over the world, but just wondering where everybody's from. Nice marina over there. Used to be a 67 Caddy Calais at that house over there. I wanted to buy when I was younger. Runs good too. It stays cool. Runs like 150, 160. Today's a beautiful day, November 1st in New York. We're about 80 degrees today. So I gotta take my bad boy out. Take a little ride. Hope everybody's having a great day, like me. Ain't nothing better than driving around in a classic car on a beautiful day, right? Nice and cool, not so hot. Take it down the main road. Let them go. And there we go. Comments about my car. You know, people say, oh, it has a lot of rust on it. You know, some people enjoy it. You know, and people make their comments, but I don't pay attention because I'm driving around in one and they're not. And then people want to lowball me. Oh, it has rust on it. I'll give you 8,000. Well, 8,000. I got almost triple that into this car. It's really a cool ride. Like I said, guys, if you ever try 5, comment down below what year you have. Also, if you're local to Long Island, New York, I'd love to maybe drive around with you guys, maybe do a little meetup or something like that. Anybody wants to take a ride with me, you know, call me up. Go cruise and get some lunch. And you know, I'm located out in Yaphank, New York. Anybody local, reach out. I'm always open to meeting new people with cars. I grew up in the car industry my whole life. I used to own a car dealership, and I follow in every aspect of the industry, and retired from retailing cars about 8 years ago. But you know, I just mess around these classic cars here and there, and I'm into doing some real estate now. But I always like meeting classic car people. Needs a little bit of a tune-up, I think, and maybe even a carburetor adjustment or cleaning. I never did it. It's my friend Bob's place. He has some Mustangs in here. You see the Mustangs? There's a white one there, and there's another white one here, Wimbledon white. He had an early production car. It's a 265 convertible that was manufactured the day before they were released at the World's Fair, which was really cool. My friend Tony's place, he gets classic cars too. And pretty wild. I'll do a run by my first business I have opened when I was 18 in the car industry. I bought the property with my dad. I'll show you my first building. And I had pretty cool cars at this place. I had a 70 Impala, I had a 62 Impala, I had a 65 Nova SS, had a Porsche 911 Carrera, BMWs, and had a 72 GMC Sprint with a 402 big block in it back then, and I had Mustangs, Fox bodies, Monte Carlo SS's, and a lot of pretty cool cars when I worked over here. I owned the building. I used to repair them here as a kid. And then we owned some property on a main road. I used to put them there for sale. And then when I bought my bigger land and built another car dealership, bigger location, that's when I really blew up. Working hard, 80-hour weeks, 90-hour weeks in the car industry. But I'll show you my first building I ever bought in a house with my father. It all started in the car industry for me after high school. So, you see the Snap-on truck is where it is. So the people walking out here, this is the house that I own that we rented. Right there. And this is my first building right there. This whole corner. I sold it. That's where it all started. I love classic cars, started right there. Okay, so I'm going to head back. Put this bad boy back in the garage. I gotta head out and go back home, and I have to go into New York City today, Manhattan. So guys, I really appreciate you following me on YouTube and commenting on all my posts and showing me support. And leave some comments down below. I really appreciate you tagging along with me on my ride in my 55. I bet you guys want to ride here with me. We go grab some lunch. Guys, like and share my videos, subscribe to my channel, Jerry Battaglia's Classic Car Garage, and keep a lookout for more videos, and let me know what you think about my rusty 55. If you like it, that's awesome. If you don't, that's okay too. Alright, so I'm pulling in the garage here. There you go. Check out the motor, guys. I'll show you that if you want. Purrs. What do you think, guys? Pretty cool, right? That was perfect. Needs a tune-up probably, or a carburetor cleaning and adjustment. I never did it though. Could have been done so long ago. I know the car was restored over 30 years ago. Tell me what you think, guys. I love that. I love when it's dirty and rusty. The more original, the better for me. They're only original once. But, this was restored. As close to original, I guess, as possible. Alright guys, have a good day. Hit that subscribe button, give me some likes, and I really appreciate it. Have a good day.